It's part 3 of our review session. So a piece of pipe is 6 feet long. It's going to be cut into 3 pieces. So let's draw a little piece of pipe here. So I'm going to draw a side. We're going to go... And it's cut into 6 pieces, or 3 pieces. It's 6 feet long, and it's going to be cut into 3 pieces. Great. The first piece is twice as long as the third piece. So third piece, first piece twice as long. Second piece is 3 times as long as the third piece. Great. I think we can kind of see the pattern happening right here. How long is each piece? We take 2x plus 3x plus x. We set it equal to 6, and we'll get 6x is 6. X is equal to 1. So then we have x is 1, 1, 3, 2, 1 plus. So let's not do the x. Let's just figure out 1 plus 2 plus 3, right? Oops, pardon me. Let's look at 21, but it's not. In 3, 2, 1. 2 plus 3 plus 1 is 6. This checks out. This checks out. The pieces are 1, 2, 3 feet long. Feet. There we go. Great. Next question. The number of blue marbles plus the number of green marbles, so blue plus green, is the number of yellow marbles. Okay. 1/4 of all the marbles are blue. So if I take all of them, I divide it by 4, I get the number that are blue. Okay. If there are 12 green marbles, compute the number of total marbles, so we're looking for all of them, as well as the number of each color, and each individual color. The first thing I want to look at here is that idea of all the marbles. That's all the blue ones, and the green ones, and the yellow ones. All the marbles. Okay. So that means we'll take blue plus green plus yellow. Oops. Over 4 is equal to blue. So blue plus green plus yellow is 4 times the number that are blue. Blue plus green is yellow, so that means I'm going to make this substitution here. I can get rid of the yellow, and then I'll be a help. So 2 blue plus 2 green is 4 blue. Now, it's just that pesky green that we've got to deal with, but it's 12, so this is going to be 24 marbles, right? 2G is 24, so 24 marbles. 2 blue plus 24 is 4 blue. Okay, so 24 is 2 blue. 12 is the number of blue. So we have 12 blue, 12 green. Blue plus green is yellow. 24 yellow. And then, let's see here, 8, 4, 48 total. Woo. And it was this substitution, this little clever substitution here that got us the solution. Next, older than Mary. Use C for Cheryl's age and M for Mary's age. So we're going to write an equation describing Cheryl as 3 years older than Mary, solve for C. Okay, so here we go. We're going to do 3 years older, so Cheryl is Mary's age plus 3. Great. I'll solve it for M. C minus 3 is equal to M. Great. Cheryl is between 35 and 40 years old. Well, she's more than 35. And she's less than 40. Now we're going to describe Mary's age. Well, C is M plus 3, so 35 is less than M plus 3 is less than 40. So that means 32 is less than m is less than 37. Hey, look at that. Great. One more set of exercises, and that'll wrap up the Chapter 2 material, and we'll call it a video. We're going to start with number 32 here. 11x minus 8 is greater than a negative 52. This is the one where there was a typo in the solutions. We're going to add 8 to both sides, get negative 44. Divide by 11 and get negative 4. Yes, that should be negative. Let's take a look at number 33. 5 minus 3x is greater than 23. So negative 3x is greater than, let's see here, 18. And then x is going to be less than negative 6. Because when we flip the negative sign over, we've got to flip the direction of that inequality. This is 33 and this is 32. Okay. Last 34. For number 34, we've got x minus 38 is less than 5 times x plus 2. Alright, so x minus 38 is less than 5x plus 10. So negative 38 is less than 4x plus 10. Negative 48 is less than 4x. So negative 12 is less than x. What's that? You want this in set builder notation? This is a set of all x such that x is greater than or equal to negative 4. This is the set of all x such that x is less than negative 6. And this is the set of all x such that x is greater than negative 12. Interval notation, negative 4 comma infinity, negative infinity comma negative 6, negative 12 comma infinity. Great, and I think that does that for this video. Great job, everyone. We'll wrap this up next time. Hey everybody, let's solve the coffee problem. I have budgeted $8 a week for coffee and refuse to spend more. On average, a cup of coffee and tip costs $2.80. What is the maximum number of cups I can buy each week? Well, I'm going to take 8. I'm going to divide it by 280, which is the same as taking 28 and dividing it into 80. And this way we're going to get our decimals correct. I'll add some zeros there. 28 goes into 80 3 times, I believe. Let's see here. 28 times 3, that's 4, 2, 6, 84. No, so it's going to be 2 times. 2 times 28 is 6, 1, 56. So 2. And we'll have 24 left over. And it's really close to 3, but what's the maximum number of cups I can buy? 2 cups. I'm not going to be able to get 3. All right.